हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम सुरैना और आज इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं प्रोनाउंस. व्हाट आर प्रोनाउंस? द प्रोनाउंस आर दोज वर्ड्स दैट टेक प्लेस ऑफ nouns, right? So let's begin. In German language, we call pronouns as pronomen. Okay, so pronomens will divide in two parts: singular and plural side, right? So in German, we pronounce them singular and plural. Okay. So we have first person, we have second person, there's another second person in here, and then we have third person. So person, that means the one who is speaking is first person. So singular first person is I in English, and plural is we. Singular second person is you, and plural is you all. But now we have another second person here. So I'm just writing this as capital Y. And obviously then we'll be having you all as well. We'll discuss why we are having two you and two you all, right? So then the third person is he, she, and it. As per English, he, she, it. And we have plural side pe, we have this as they. Okay, so let's look at the equivalent words in German language. So I is called as ich. Ich. You is du. This you, now the capital Y, this one is capital SIE. We pronounce it as Z. He is air. She is again Z, but this time S is small. So this language is case sensitive. Yes, it is S. We is wir. WIR, wir. You all, now this is ihr. You all, again capital Z, and then this they is also Z, and aapka ya aap sabka, like that, right? A formal language. So let's understand the difference between you and you all, both yous and both you alls. Okay, so when we talk in English, it is you, the only word is you. When we are even talking to an elderly person or to a younger one, it doesn't matter to whom you're talking. But the way we have difference in Hindi, like tum and aap ka difference, similar pattern pe we have difference in German language also. But this depends upon the how closely you're knitted, like among your close family members you can speak du language, that is informal tum language. With unknown or formal places pe you should use z language. So how to define this? That this du is actually your informal tum, you can say informal you. I'm just writing it here, informal, and this one is formal. So when we are using you word for formal places, it should be Z, and for informal places, it should be do. Okay. So if we see, these are the four Z's, right? I hope this difference is clear, and obviously when we have things at singular side to plural side पे भी वो difference आएगा. So यह is your informal तुम लोग plural में, and Z again the same word, but yes it is used for plural of आप लोग, I mean formal language. Okay, so now we have four Z's here. So here are the pronouns, and this is very important topic because everything whatever we'll be speaking after this needs these pronouns. So please understand this topic very nicely, as we won't be saying that I'm speaking capital Z or small z while speaking, while writing, okay, we can understand. But yes, while speaking, we are not gonna say कि I'm speaking capital S wala Z. Okay, so that's why we need another topic's help, and that would be verb, which will be continuing in the next video. So for now, this is bye from my side, and see you in the next video. To learn further, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.